Our bilateral mirroring code is 50% complete. We just finished this part right here. We're going to review the code for that section of the mirroring brush. Let's go look at the deltas. So in the MIRMAID function section, within the MIRMAID editor, put U32 symmetric bilateral mirroring code. We have added the body of this bilateral X dense code. So right in here, we have the original bilateral mirrored coordinate here. And then we also want to rotate it by 90 degrees. So that's what we're doing here. And also, we need to transform the internals of the binary tile. That input U32 is the binary tile. We need to rotate the internal auto tile flags by 90 degrees clockwise. And we also need to do the original mirroring as well. So we're going to mirror across the X as we did in the light section. So if we go up to the light section here, right, we're also doing the mirroring across the X, but then we also need to rotate it, right? So if we go down here, right, we mirror and then we rotate. So now the binary tile is correctly transformed, and here is the transformed plot point that has been mirrored across the X and then rotated 90. We're going to get the next load index here. We're going to increase the length of our triply paired array, and then we're going to store the plot point and the modified binary tile into our triply paired array so that we can plot it later. Here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go to this playlist. You are on the advanced playlist. Source code is here, and you can email me here. I am Kanji Coder, and I am working on an MMO called Atomic Ivy. It's all written in JavaScript using C99 style with data-oriented design.